I'm going to show you how to clean it. So the easiest way is first just give it a little bit of a rinse. If there's bits of thick hummus or whatever you've made in it is a bit stuck in there, I give it a little bit of a rinse. I use a bit of dish brush and just run around the blades just to loosen things off. And then I put some warm water in there up to the line below the mat. So there's little squiggle lines, that's where I've filled to my level. And a little bit of dishwash, and just going to pop our lid on. My lid's pretty dirty, so it should get a good wash as well. I'm just going to pop the bowl on, make sure it clicks in properly. Now we are going to run this on a high speed, so I'm going to give it on speed 9, and I'm going to give it about 30 seconds to get that nice and clean. And don't forget to always wait till it fully stops before you remove the lid or the bowl. And I can give the lid a little bit of a scrub, that's easy done, but the bowl looks pretty good. So just to remove your bowl, in case you haven't seen the video on removing your bowl, there's 2 little buttons just under the handles. Just press in and lift up. So that's how you clean your bowl. I've just cleaned my bowl and I've just given it a quick rinse out with water, and as you see, those blades have come nice and clean after all the hummus that was stuck under the blades, so I'm really pleased about that. It's just that easy, folks.